This tutorial guides you through managing user accounts and applying advanced filters. Click Select Filters to choose specific criteria for filtering users. For example, to search a particular user, we will first navigate to Filter section. There we will enter the email address in the text field to locate a specific user. You will find user which matched your search criteria. You can remove the applied filter by clicking on Clear All button. Navigate to the Filter section. Here, you can filter users by email or username. You can then filter based on account status, such as active or deactivated. Next, filter by membership status like active or suspended, and by claim status, including all users or managed accounts only. You can also filter by apps such as Jira Software, Jira Service Desk, Jira Customer Service, or Confluence. You can also filter users by groups by entering the desired group name. As here we are filtering users present in inactive users group. Just select the group you want to filter. In addition, you can filter users by username and last login. Once you've selected your criteria, click on Apply Filters to refresh the user list with the updated results. Select one or multiple users using the checkboxes to perform bulk actions. With the action bar, you can manage user access and perform bulk actions such as activate, deactivate, restore, delete, and suspend. Update the group memberships in just a few clicks, making large-scale operations fast and efficient. You can also export the selected users into a CSV file by clicking on Export button. For individual users, use the Actions menu on the right to perform actions like fetching the global last login, or deactivating, suspending, or deleting the user. Thank you.